In my previous tutorial, I've already told you about different types of web element locators. Now, in this tutorial, I will be covering covering the web location known as Xpaths. I will be covering how to write the Xpaths and what are the various extensions of the Xpath, how to identify dynamically changing Xpaths, and everything about it. So let's begin with it. So the basic syntax of a XPath is like that. It is double slash tag name at the rate attribute name is equal to what is the value of the attribute name. For example, double slash input is the tag name and the attribute which I am searching is ID and the value which I am searching will be name. So now let's copy and paste this particular XPath on my website which I was using, and I will be just copy and pasting it, and I will be clicking on enter, and as it is not having anything matching, so it is showing that no matching node is found. So let's suppose I am trying to identify this element and its XPath is already given. So by looking at its HTML view, I am able to see that it has three tags: type, name, and enabled. So if I want to make my own XPath, how to execute if I want to make my own XPath to identify this particular box, then I will be typing, just deleting it whole, double slash asterisk. Asterisk is the notation in which includes all the tags, and then at the rate. Let's suppose I am searching for tag type equal to what is the value over here, text text, close the close it and bracket and enter. When I will enter it, I would be getting three matching nodes as type is equal to text belongs to three type of web elements, and these all three web elements are already shown over here. So it's not a good way as it is showing three nodes. So I will be searching for a tag which corresponds to only this. So this f name only corresponds to this tag. So I will change here and f name, and I guess I write something wrong over here. Sorry. Uh, its name tag is f name, not uh, type tag. So I will again delete it and with double slash asterisk at the rate name equal to f name, and I will type. So only one matching node is found. So this is a basic way to identify XPath. Why we are not using the XPath which is found by the fire path? Let's see what the XPath which is found by the fire path. So this is the whole big thing of XPath. So it is very big, and second thing is that this can be a dynamic, that is this value 264311, this might be changing with the time. So so it's better do not to take any arbit value, just to take simple XPath with which remains constant with time. So I have explained a basic example. Another example is that if you are using IMG stand for the tag name for an image, or any other ALT tag name as some text. So this is a very basic example. You can try it in any website. Here asterisk, as I have already told, this asterisk means that you are not specifying any tag name and you are searching for the attribute in all of the page. So it will search all the tag names that are available and search attribute type is equal to text, whichever attribute is having type is equal to text, it will show all those XPaths, all those web elements. Next thing is that suppose you are having a website in which there are some text entries like that, like in my website there is a text and entry only testing, and we want to find the XPath of this only testing. So let's see by normal look what it is having. It is giving ID is equal to header, and this is whole thing. So if I don't know XPath, I just only know what I need to search. what text I need to search for the XPath, then I will go to this method, and this is a general syntax for searching any text in a by using XPath. I will just copy and paste this over here, and as I want to search the text only testing, so I will just copy only testing from here and just paste it over here, and I will enter, and it will search one matching node as only testing is only mentioned over here. You need to be very clear that whole of the thing that you need to search should be placed inside it. If you will only write instead of only testing, you will write only, then it will not search. You have to write whole of the text that you need to search. See, now if you want that instead of writing only testing, I will just write something like let us testing, and it should test it should search all of the testing word that is present in my current page. So there is another example for that, another method, rather say this method is known as contains. So I will explain it very brief. This is a syntax double slash asterisk contains text and what text you want to search. So I will copy this from here and paste it over here, and see what's the output. When I will click on it, it will show three matching nodes. So it will show all the text which are containing testing word in it. So it is containing three. First one is this, and it is being highlighted, and similarly others are also listed. Three things are listed here. Second end is this, which is also highlighted, and third one is this. Now let's go to previous example in which we were getting three matching nodes. That is, I am searching with a type is equal to text, and it was showing three text web elements are available in my web page. So what if I want to search for only first name. So one method I've already told you that instead of using tag type, you can use tag name and is equal to f name. Then you will be identifying it. What if there is another text which is having name as f name also. So in this case, you can use and or operation with Xpath. So what you have seen what is unique about this text box is that its type is equal to text and name is equal to f name. So here I can use another operator known as and. I will put here and at the rate name equals to f name, and I will search for it. Now when I will search it, it will show only one matching node. So here you can use another operator or operator and operator. This is as per your requirement. Now I will move on to another one of the most important method to find XPath. Uh, if we are having some XPath which is dynamically changing with time, let us suppose XPath having ID he added 1234 or ID added ID 1234, and by passage of time it changed to added 4342, or by in another slot it will change 876. So what you noticed is that you are having a constant edit over here. So it's a very good method to search such type of XPath. I will just double slash it and contains at the rate ID, and I will write edit, something that remains constant with time. So as my website is not changing dynamically, so I cannot show you this right now, but you can use contains with you. Another method which is used is starts with. You can use this is the format of the starts with double slash asterisk starts with at the rate edit. So every ID which starts with edit would be shown in the XPath. So these are the basic, very simple examples that I have told you how to identify the XPath. I will be covering how to identify dynamically changing CSS selectors in my next post. Thank you.